Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking a trip to Goa with a delicious and authentic recipe for Goan Palm Jaggery Sannas with a refreshing Sprite twist. Sannas are fluffy, savoury rice cakes traditionally steamed in coconut leaves. They are a staple in Goan cuisine and paired perfectly with curries and stews. But today we are going to add a touch of sweetness with the palm jaggery, a natural sugar made with palm sap. And to make things even more interesting, we'll be using Sprite, adding a subtle citrus flavor and super light texture. So instead of using toddy, we'll be using Sprite, which is a perfect substitute for toddy. So if you do not have toddy at home, you can use Sprite and make this delicious sannas at home. So if you are looking for a unique and flavorful side dish or even a sweet breakfast treat, then you have come to the right place. Also, if you are new on this channel, please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, please do share my recipes with your friends and family so they can also try these recipes at home. If you have any question regarding this recipe, then do comment and let me know. I will definitely respond to it. So now, without wasting any time, let's begin with this recipe. So first, soak 300 grams of Goan rice or ukde rice with water. Soak it overnight. Then discard the water. Then take a mixer jar. Add the soaked rice. Then add 150 grams of fresh grated coconut. Then add 250 ml Sprite. And add 4 tablespoons water. Then blend this to a paste. So the paste is ready. It must be something like this. Simply add it in a pan. And add 80 ml Sprite. Give this a nice mix. Basically add the whole can of Sprite for this recipe. Then add 1/3 cup water and give this a nice mix. Make sure the consistency is something like this. Then take half teaspoon dry yeast and add 2 tablespoons water. Give this a nice mix and rest it for about 15 minutes. Then add it to the coconut mix and add 6 tablespoons sugar. Add some salt to taste. And then mix it nicely until the sugar is nicely dissolved. Then cover it and rest it for about 6 to 7 hours. When it is ready, you will see bubbles on the surface. When you see this, it is ready to cook. Then leave this aside. Then to make the sweet filling, in a bowl add 130 grams of palm jaggery, add 130 grams fresh grated coconut. Mix it until jaggery is nicely melted and mixed with coconut. Something like this. Then leave this aside. Then simply pour the sanna batter in a bowl. And make sure you just fill it half, because you will be also adding the sweet filling. Then add about 1.5 teaspoons sweet filling. Make sure to spread it all around the bowl. Also, make sure you do not add a lot of sweet filling, as it will not cook properly. Then cover the sweet filling with Sanna batter, but do not overfill them, as it will not cook properly in a steamer. Add just enough to cover the sweet filling. So now the sannas are ready to steam. Then steam it for about 25 to 30 minutes in a preheat steamer. Then to check if it is cooked, use a knife in the center. If it comes out clean, it is ready. Or if it is nice and hard in the center, it is ready. Then leave the bowl in a room temperature water and allow it to cool down completely. Then simply demold the sannas as shown. There you have it guys, our Goan Palm Jaggery Sannas with that Sprite surprise are ready to tantalize your taste buds. Enjoy them warm or at room temperature, savoury with curry or sweet for breakfast or a snack. The Palm Jaggery adds a deep caramel sweetness and the Sprite brings a delightful citrus zing that keeps them light and airy. Perfect for a weeknight meal or a weekend bunch that will impress your friends and family. So what are you waiting for? Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments below how you liked it. Before you go, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more exciting culinary adventures around the world. Also do hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try it at home. Thanks for joining me today and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.